Hello students, I hope all you're healthy. So children, this is our science class and in this video we will read the second chapter of our science book. So children, in the first chapter we read about living and non-living things and we read that plants are also living things. So children, in this chapter we will read about parts of a plant and their structures and their functions, okay? So now tell me, children, how do plants grow? Because as they are living things, so they will also grow, they will also reproduce. How do plants grow? What do they need? Yes, plants grow using sunlight, water, air, and minerals from environment. Okay, they take water and minerals from their root, and roots take them from soil, and they take sunlight from sun, and they take air from environment, and thus they make their food and they grow. Okay, most plants grow out of the seeds. Maximum plants किससे बढ़ते हैं? Seeds से. So children, now this is our topic, parts of a plant. This is very interesting topic and in this chapter we will read about them. So children, we have two parts, root and shoot. Here you can see root system and shoot system. This is very simple according to its name. What is root? The part of a plant below the ground is called root system and the part of a plant above the ground is called shoot system. Here you can see it is the layer and below it the part of plant is called root system and the part of plant below above the ground is called shoot system. Okay, so children, what do the roots do? Now we will read about them. Roots. Roots hold plants firmly in the soil. Roots क्या करती हैं? Roots means जड़ें. Plants के कितने part होते हैं? Two, root and shoots. So first we will read about roots. Roots hold plants firmly in the soil. Roots move down in earth in search of water. And what do they do? Roots absorb minerals and water from the soil also. Children, रूट्स क्या करती हैं? रूट्स प्लांट्स को स्ट्रिक्टली सॉइल में खड़े रखती हैं ताकि वो गिर न सके एंड वो क्या करती हैं? वो वाटर मिनरल्स इनके सर्च में सॉइल में इधर उधर मूव करती हैं और फिर वो वाटर एंड मिनरल्स इकट्ठा करके रूट्स को देती हैं. देन रूट transport it to the stem and then stem transport it to the leaves. Okay, and roots absorb minerals and water from the soil and then they give it to the stem. Some edible roots are radish and carrot. कुछ roots ऐसी होती हैं जिन्हें हम खा सकते हैं. Example, radish and carrot. Radish means मूली and carrot means गाजर. They are roots but we can eat them. Beetroot is also a root that we can eat. Okay, and roots uh, help the plants to stand up erect. रूट्स और क्या करती हैं? प्लांट्स को सीधे खड़े रखती हैं. ओके, आपने देखा है प्लांट सीधे खड़े रखते हैं बिकॉज उनकी रूट्स जो होती हैं वो सॉइल में फिक्स होती हैं. दे कैंट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. प्लांट्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव नहीं कर सकते. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स. रूट्स के टाइप कितने होते हैं? वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स, fibrous roots and tap roots. What are fibrous roots? Some plants have many small roots growing from the end of stem. Here you can see a picture of fibrous roots. Okay, this is the picture of a grass and here you can see teeny roots coming out of the main root. Okay, so these are example of fibrous roots. Okay, यहाँ छोटी 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 बहुत सारी roots निकली होती हैं यहाँ स्टेम के लास्ट से. तने स्टेम मीन्स तना, वो जहाँ खत्म होता है उसके बाद से छोटे 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 ढेर सारी रूट्स निकली होती है, वो आपस में मिक्स होती हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, फाइब्रस रूट्स. एग्जाम्पल, grass and wheat have fibrous roots. Second part is taproot. Some plants have a thick root growing into the soil, and several thinner roots grow from the thick root. This main thick root is called the taproot. Okay, यहाँ आप देख सकते हो. This is the example of taproot. This is a thick root. Okay, coming out from the stem, and some tiny roots coming out of it, coming out of the main root. So जो मेन रूट है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, टैप रूट कहते हैं. ओके, मेन थिक रूट को क्या कहते हैं, टैप रूट कहते हैं. एंड एग्जाम्पल, मैंगो ट्री एंड नीम ट्री हैव टैप रूट्स. Okay children, so here we have what we read. We have two types of roots, fibrous roots and tap roots. What are fibrous roots? Those type of roots that are very small and they grow from this stem, okay, from the end of a stem. And what are tap roots? Means tap roots grow out of some plants in which there is a thick root and some tiny roots are coming out of it. Those type of roots are called tap roots. Okay, so here is our next topic, stem. What is stem? Stem means tane. And what do they do? The stem is the main part of the shoot. Na? What we see in a plant, the major part of a plant is a, or a tree is a stem. Okay, so it is the main part of the shoot. And what do it do? It helps plants to stand erect. ये पौधों को सीधा खड़ा रखता है. Okay, and it carries water and minerals from the roots to the other parts. What do the stem do? Stem क्या करता है, water and minerals को roots से लाता है और plants के अलग अलग parts में transport करता है. ठीक है, so it works as a transporter. Some edible stem are sugarcane and sweet potato. We have different types of stem. Okay, different plants have different type of stem. As if you will notice that the stem of trees like it has a thick and woody stem. Okay, and it is called trunk. What we say it, trunk. Okay, जो बड़े बड़े पेड़ होते हैं उनके तने बहुत मोटे होते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, ट्रंक कहते हैं. while the climbers like money plant, here you can see, and peas have very thin and very soft stem. Okay, so we say them climbers, and here we can conclude that different plants have different types of stem. Hops, you will notice, hops, they have also a thin stem. And shrubs means झाड़ियाँ, shrubs have a thin and woody stem. So different plants have different types of stem. Okay, now we will read the next topic, that is leaf. Leaves are the most important part of the plants. What do they do? Because they prepare food for the plants, for the whole plant, and so they are called the food factory of the plant. Okay, why leaves are called food factory of the plant? Because they prepare food for the whole part of the plant. Okay, and how do they prepare food? Because leaves contain chlorophyll, which helps them to make their food. Okay, चिल्ड्रन, पत्तियां भोजन कैसे बनाती हैं? उनमें क्लोरोफिल होता है. ओके, दे उनकी पत्तियों में ग्रीन पिगमेंट होता है जिसे क्लोरोफिल कहते हैं, और उसकी हेल्प से वो अपने भोजन बनाती हैं. ओके, भोजन बनाने के लिए उन्हें क्या क्या चाहिए होती है? सनलाइट चाहिए होती है. ओके, एंड वाटर चाहिए होता है, एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड चाहिए होता है ना। एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड सनलाइट, एंड उनकी पत्तियों में क्या होता है, क्लोरोफिल होता है। इन सब की हेल्प से वो क्या बनाते हैं, भोजन बनाते हैं। ओके, एंड दिस फूड इज यूज्ड बाय द होल पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लांट। सो लीव्स आर कॉल्ड फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ ए प्लांट। ओके, लीव्स को हम फूड फैक्ट्री कहते हैं बिकॉज दे प्रिपेयर फूड, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड फोटोसिंथेसिस। जब पत्तियां भोजन बनाती हैं, इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस। व्हाट? Photosynthesis. Very good. And how do they respirate? Leaves exchange gases through teeny pores. Here you can see teeny pores. Okay, teeny pores. They are present in the on the underside of leaves, and they are called stomata. Okay, what these teeny pores are called? Stomata. When you will observe a leaf, you can hardly find it because they are too tiny. You can see them with a microscope only. So there are some teeny pores underside of a leaf, and that are called stomata, and leaves exchange gases through them. Okay, so leaves are very important part of a plant. Some leaves store food inside them also, as mint and spinach. Spinach means पालक. Okay, उनमें भोजन होता है. So let's come on the next topic, flower and fruits. Children, as you know, flower are the beautiful part of a plant. Okay, and how a plant is developed? The bud on the stem of a plant changes into a flower. Okay, bud means कली. Bud चेंज होके क्या बनती हैं, फ्लावर बनाते हैं. Here you can see the birds, the little birds, and they change and transform into beautiful flowers, and flowers change into fruits. Okay, when on getting um, good conditions, a flower grows into a fruit. Okay, so here's our next topic, fruit. And how do a fruit grows? First, a seed changes into a flower, and a flower changes into a fruit. And what are fruits? Fruits are juicy and fleshy parts of a part of plants. Okay, फ्रूट्स क्या होते हैं, प्लांट्स के जूशी एंड फ्लेशी पार्ट होते हैं जिन्हें हम खाते हैं. एंड दे हैव सीड्स इनसाइड देम. फ्रूट्स में सीड्स होते हैं ना उनके अंदर. सम फ्रूट्स हैव नो सीड्स, बट मेनी maximum fruits have seeds inside them. Okay, and the number of seeds in different fruits is different. अलग अलग fruits में seeds की जो number होती है वो अलग अलग होती है. Okay, some fruits are used as vegetables. Okay, कुछ fruits को हम vegetables के जैसे भी use करते हैं. ठीक है, example tomato and pumpkin. So fruits are used as vegetable also. So let's come on next topic, seeds. What are seeds? A seed gives birth to a new plant. Means a seed has a plant inside it. Okay, seed means बीज. सीड्स क्या करते हैं, एक नए, पहले सीड से सीडलिंग्स होंगी, फिर लिटिल प्लांट, फिर plant, and then a tree grows out of it. So seed has a plant inside it. उनमें एक plant होता ही है. When we put some seeds inside the soil, after some time it grows into a seedling, and then it transforms into a plant. So a seed gives birth to a new plant, and growing of seeds into a plant in the presence of sunlight, water, and air is called germination. Means वाटर एंड एयर एंड सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में सीड्स जब प्लांट में चेंज होते हैं, इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? जर्मिनेशन. व्हाट डू वी से? Germination. Okay, so children, here our topic ends, and what we read about the parts of a plant and what a function of seeds. Seeds grow into a new plant. We eat seeds of some plants at food grains. कुछ seeds को हम अनाज के जैसे खाते हैं, जैसे wheat, maize and pulses. Okay, दाल दाल बीज होती हैं, बट उन्हें हम अनाज के जैसे खाते हैं. Wheat means गेहूं, उन्हें भी हम फूड ग्रेन्स के जैसे खाते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट वी रीड हियर, पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट, रूट, shoot. What a root? The part of the plant which remains under the ground is root system, and the part of the plant which is above the ground is called shoot system. Okay, let's have a quick recall. The part of the plant below the ground is called root system, and the part of the plant above the ground is called shoot system. Now, how many types of roots? Fibrous roots and tap roots. Okay, and stem. What does stem do? Stem helps plants to stay indirect. Okay, and they transport water and minerals from the root to other parts. And leaves are called food factor of the plant, and they perform photosynthesis because they have chlorophyll and the presence of sunlight and water and carbon dioxide. They prepare food for the plants. Okay, and children, what do the leaf do? They exchange gases through stomata. Okay, लीव्स मीन्स पत्तियां. पत्तियां कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे लेती हैं एनवायरनमेंट से? स्टोमेटा से. कोई भी गैसेस का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टोमेटा से होता है. स्टोमेटा क्या होता है? उनकी पत्तियों के नीचे छोटे छोटे जो पोर्स होते हैं, उन्हें हम स्टोमेटा कहते हैं. ओके, एंड नाउ फ्लावर. फ्लावर आर द ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ ए प्लांट, एंड दे ग्रो फ्रॉम द बर्ड्स. वो कलियों से बनते हैं. एंड फ्रूट्स. fruits are juicy and fleshy parts of plants, and there are some fruits that we take as vegetables. And last topic is seeds. Seeds gives birth to a new plant. So children, here our topic ends. Thank you.